Forex trading, short for foreign exchange, is the act of buying and selling currencies to make a profit. But how does it actually work? Let's break it down in just 60 seconds. In Forex, you trade in currency pairs. For example, euro to US dollar. When you buy this pair, you're betting that the euro will increase in value compared to the US dollar. Currencies rise and fall based on market factors like economic data, news, and global events. Forex trading happens 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, across the world's major markets. And here's where it gets interesting: leverage. This allows traders to control larger positions with less capital. But be careful, while leverage can amplify gains, it also increases risk. For beginners, it's important to practice on a demo account before jumping into live trading. Get familiar with how the market moves and how to manage risk. Ready to dive into Forex trading? Start small, stay informed, and always trade responsibly.